Hello everyone, welcome to the November 29th, 2015 edition of the Astrology News Report. I'm your intrepid host, Ron Berger. So let's take a look at the upcoming planetary patterns and predictions for this week. What's on the celestial agenda for November 29th to December 6th and beyond? Two planets change signs this week, one at the beginning of the week and the other at the end of the week. Venus leaves Virgo today, Sunday, November 29th, and enters Libra. Venus is one of Vedic astrology's natural benefics. In other words, a planet that, generally, produces good things. Libra is one of Venus's signs. A planet is strong in its own sign, so Venus in Libra is a good thing. Venus is the planet of harmony and agreement. Libra is the sign of balance and equality. Venus is the planet of romance and relationship. Libra is the sign of partnership and compromise. There is one slight problem, though, which is that Mars and Saturn are flanking Venus at this time, forming a Papakatari Yoga. This is a special planetary pattern in Vedic astrology, where a planet's expression of its energy is restricted by having a natural malefic planet on either side of it. Here, Mars in Virgo and Saturn in Scorpio are sandwiching Venus and thus limiting Venus's benefic energy. So, the potential for harmony and agreement and for romance and relationship, although better than it was when Venus was debilitated while in Virgo, is still finding difficulty for full expression for the next few weeks. The other change in the planetary pattern is Mercury, leaving Scorpio on Saturday, December 5th, and entering Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a generally positive sign, a sign that is connected with beliefs and philosophies, and is especially devoted to its own version of the truth. Thus, Mercury in Sagittarius promotes self-righteous thinking, coming up with reasons and explanations that support one's own beliefs. Mercury is also the planet of news reports and the media, so we can expect plenty of holier-than-thou moral pronouncements over the coming weeks from the usual suspects. Another pattern we should be paying attention to is the upcoming opposition of Mars and Uranus. This pattern is building in intensity as it becomes more exact this week. At the beginning of the week, while Venus is changing signs, the two planets are 6 degrees away from exact opposition. Mars signifies conflict, violence, and destruction. Uranus is the planet of the sudden and the unexpected. So, this is a planetary combination that can create unpleasant events, ranging from surprise attacks to accidents to natural disasters. By the end of the week, Mars and Uranus are 3 degrees away from exact opposition. And note that on Saturday, the moon will add energy for events by joining in on the Mars side of the equation. Note, too, how the Mars versus Uranus planetary pattern lines up with the natal Saturn of the USA Vedic birth chart. Thus, there's a distinct possibility that something happens that threatens the stability and security of the United States. Okay, that's a look at what's happening in the Zodiac this week. Thanks for visiting astrologynewsreport.com. I'll be posting updates during the week, as usual, on Twitter at Astro News Report.